Okay, for question number 29, we have to solve graphically the linear programming problem for which we have to find the maximize z, which is subject to the constraints. So I'm going to just write down the equations. So because we have to sketch the graph, so it's 4x plus y is equal to 60, 3x plus 2y is equal to 150, and x plus 5 is equal to 115. And x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. These are the x and the y axis. Okay, so for the first one, 4x plus 5, y is equal to 80. Let's try to get the coordinates. And the coordinates are x, y. So x is equal to 0 gives y is equal to 80, and y is equal to 0 gives x is equal to 20. Okay, for the second one, this is the first. Let's get the second one. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 150, and this is xy. So x is equal to 0 gives y is equal to 75, and y is equal to 0 gives x equal to 50. Okay, so x is 0, it's 75, and when y is 0, it's 50. Okay, for the third one, it's x plus 5y is equal to 115. So for these, the coordinates are x, y. When x is equal to 0, y is 2, 3. And when y is 0, x is 115. Okay, let's try to sketch the graph for this. In the rough sketch, it would be, and let's say these are our horizontal and vertical axis. So I'm going to use a scale of, let's say, for 20. So this is 0, this is 20, this is 40, and this is 60, and 80, and 100. Okay, so this is also 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100, let's say 100 and 150. Okay, I will get, let's say it's 120 as well. So we have, let's say 120 as well. Okay, let's try to sketch the first one. This is 0, 80. So 0, 80 is here, and 20 comma 0. So 20 comma 0 is on the x-axis. And if we try to sketch the graph, so this is for 4x plus y is equal to 80. Okay, next one is 0, 75. So 0, 75 would be some, it's 60, 70, and let's say 0, 75 is here, 50 comma 0, 50 comma 0 is here. So if I join them, so this would be the graph. Okay, now another one is 0, 23. So 0, 23 would be like somewhat here, and 115 zeros, 115 0 is 110, 115 0 would be here. So if I join them, this is the graph. Okay, let's try to get the solution region. So this is actually greater than equal to 80, it's less than equal to 150, and greater than equal to, okay. I'm going to check them for 0, 0. So for 0, 0, for 0, 0, this is 0 is greater than 80, which is false. So the graph of this equation is away. So this is away from the origin. This is away from the origin. And the next is 3x. So this, if I use 0, 0, so 0 is less than 50. So this is also away from the origin for this one. And this equation was 3x plus 2y is less than 150 was 0, 75 and 50 zeros, 0, 75 and 50 0. So this is also Okay, this is actually true. 0 is less than for this. 0 is less than 150, which is true. So its graph is towards the origin. So it was 0, 75, and 50, 0. So this is towards the origin. Again, for the third one, it's greater than 115. So this is 0 is greater than 115, which is false. So this is away from the origin. And finally, R for this, it is away from the origin. And finally, our corner points will lie in this region. So this is R, and our corner points are A, B, and C. So let's try to get the corner points. So these A is actually the intersection of 4x plus y is equal to 80, and the next one was 0.75. So this is 3x plus 2y is equal to 150. So let's try to solve this. So this is 12x plus 3y is equal to 240. I'm trying to solve this. Solving them. Solving 1 and 2. Let's say this is 1 and this is 2. So I'm going to use the elimination method. So this is 12x plus 3y is equal to 240, and this is 12x plus 8y is equal to 0. 4 5s are 20 and 60. So if I subtract them, this is negative 5y is equal to 0, 6, 3, negative 360. So y is equal to 5, 7 are 35, y 2s are 10, so y is equal to 72, and x would be 72 is equal to 4x is equal to 18 minus 72 is 8, which is x is equal to 3. So this point of intersection is 2, comma 72. Again, let's try to get C, which is the point of intersection of the second line, which is the point of intersection of second and third. So this is a point of intersection of second and third. And let's try to solve them. So our equations are 3x plus 2y is equal to 150, and it's x plus y is equal to 150. Okay. So if I try to solve them by the elimination method, so this will remain 3x plus 2y is equal to 150, and this is 3x plus 3y is equal to 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 4, and 345. Let's subtract them. So this is negative y, and 345, this is negative 9 and 1. So this is y 3x plus 2y. Let me just check. It was 3x plus 2y is equal to 150, and x plus 5y. So this is 3x plus 2y is equal to 150, and this was actually x plus 5y. So this is x plus, now my mistake. So this is x plus 5y is equal to 115, and 3x plus 2y is equal to 150. I'm going to solve these two by the elimination method. So this is 3x plus 5, 315 is equal to 3 5 are 15, 4, 345. Subtracting them gives it's minus 13y is equal to 5 plus 5 is 9, 2, this gets cancelled, and y is equal to 190 divided by 13, which gives us 13. 1 is 13 and 60. Okay, let me check it once again. It's 345 minus 150, which is 5, 9. It's 195. Actually, this is 195. This is 195. And now if I divide it by 13, this is 13, 113, and 13, 5. So y is equal to 15. And this will give us x. So x is equal to 115 minus 5 into 15, which is 115 minus 75, and this is 0, 40. So x is equal to 40. So our next coordinate is the next coordinate point is 40, comma 15, and let's try to solve the. So B is the point of intersection of second and the third. So this is the point of intersection of 4x plus y is equal to 80, and the last one, that is x plus 5y is equal to 150. Okay, and if I try to solve this using the elimination method, so this is 4x plus 5 is equal to 80. This is 4x plus 4 into 5 is equal to 20, is equal to 5 fours are 20, 60, and 460. So this is 115 into 4, which is 6,460. And now this gets cancelled. This is 90y is equal to 460 minus 80, which is negative 380, and which is equal to 380 divided by 19, which is equal to 2. So y is 2, which gives us x plus 10. From this, we are going to get x. So y is 2x plus 10 is equal to 115. X is equal to 115 minus 10, which gives us, so x is equal to 115 minus 10. This is 5,005. And so the first corner point was 272, 40, 15, and next should be, okay, this is actually 20. This is actually 20, and this is now 100. So this is 20, which gives us x plus 5 into 20 is 100, which is 115. So x is equal to 115 minus 100 is 15. Okay, so this is 15 comma 20. 15 comma 20. So our corner points are 272 and 15 and 20 and 40 and 50. And let's try to find the value of z. Z was 6x plus 3y. So this is 6x plus 3y, which gives us, this is 6 into 2 plus 3 into 72, which is 12 plus 3 plus 6, 7, 3 are 21, which is 8, 3, and 238. Okay, next is 6 into 15 plus 3 into 20, which is 16, 5, 30, and 90 plus 60, which is 50. Okay, this is now 6 into 40. This is 40 plus 3 into 15. This is 240 plus 3 into 15 is 45, which is 5 and 8 and 285. And our maximum value is 285. So this is the maximum value 285, which is at 40 comma 15. Okay, that's So that's how we solve it graphically and to find the maximize z. And let's move on to question number 30.